Lerato Sengadi on Mourning HHP. Today I will play your music for the first time in 90 days. Even though HHP's wife, Lerato Sengadi, will feel his loss forever on the 3-month anniversary of his death, she chose to celebrate him. The hip-hop veteran took his own life on October 24, 2018 after a lengthy battle with depression. Taking to Instagram on Thursday, Lerato gave followers a glimpse of the grief she felt. After crying for 89 consecutive days, mourning a love lost, on the 90th day I choose to celebrate a life I was blessed to be a part of. One that has molded me into the queen I am becoming. Lerato added that for the first time in 90 days she decided to play HHP's music. Today I will play your music for the first time in 90 days and sing along like I always did before. So if the tears wanna come back, they're just gonna have to wait until tomorrow, because today I'm celebrating you, Motho Waka.